In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check-in stories in InCopy. If you collaborate with a team across writing and design, these two actions keep your workflow smooth, prevent version conflicts, and make sure everyone knows who's editing what at any moment. Start by launching Adobe InCopy. Once the app is open, go ahead and open your document. This might be a standalone InCopy file, an assignment, or a file that's linked to a layout coming from InDesign. With the document open, identify the story you want to work on. In InCopy, a story is typically a text frame or article you can edit. When you're ready to begin making changes, you'll want to take ownership of that story. Checking out a story locks it so only you can make edits. To do this from the main menu, go to File and choose Checkout. If you prefer using the contextual menu, right-click on Windows or Control-click on Mac directly on the item name, and then select Checkout. After you check it out, you'll see that the story is reserved to you, indicating to others that it's currently locked. This avoids overlapping edits and ensures your changes won't be overwritten. While you're working, save as you normally would. Your local edits are preserved under your checkout, and teammates will see that the story is unavailable until you hand it back. When you're finished making edits, it's time to release the lock so others can continue the workflow. Checking in saves your changes and makes the story available for others to edit. From the menu bar, click File, then choose Check In. You can also do this right from the layout. Right-click the frame and select InCopy, then Check In. During check-in, you may be prompted to add a brief note about what changed. Adding context helps teammates understand your updates at a glance. After check-in completes, the story becomes editable for the rest of the team again. If you ever find that you can't check out a story, it likely means someone else already has it checked out. In that case, wait for them to check it back in, or coordinate to avoid conflicts. And if you're stepping away for a while, checking in before you leave keeps the workflow moving. That's the full cycle. Open your document, check out the story to work safely, and check it back in to share your updates. Use these steps consistently, and your team will stay perfectly in sync from draft to publication.